Friday morning, July 9th. Let's set up the pH indicator for today. We're going to take a look at the static lines and also the additional forecast lines that we can make. So what we've got going for our 5 normal daily lines, the first point here around 5:30 a.m. Eastern hit the second high of the double top and triggered off this move down from 97 down to 89. We're in a kind of a lower volatility period right now. At the end of that pH2 segment right there at 636, we made a higher low. We had a low in between times. We rallied back. We came down, made a higher low, reversed on that time point, setting up that move up, which went from 90 and peaked at 43.01. Now we're correcting. We'll see if we get continuation. The end of the morning segment on the pH3, always important. That wraps at about 10:20. Then the afternoon segment kicks in. The center of that block is 14:13, and the end of the pH2 segment is 15:24. All potential timers. Now you see I've got the 2 red arrows and the 2 green arrows on the chart. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to project this high. You want to look at the most recent significant pivots, and you can project them forward for turning points. So we look at pH1 and pH2 for that. So at the point where we peak out here on where we got that high, which was in the afternoon yesterday, right before the day session close, we're on the pH1, pH2, light blue over the red pH2. So we stay out of the low volatility period, and we want to move into where we're trading currently. And we're trade here in this morning as we got into the Euro session. That area repeated right here where my cursor is, just after 4 a.m. You can see we've got the red pH2 block and the light blue pH1, and that gave us this pivot low. So an additional entry into that upward move there. Then we made low overnight right here where I've got the first green arrow where my cursor crosshair is located, and right here that was the purple pH2 with the light blue pH1 over it. So now we're going to look for the next repeat of that in the day segment, day session. That's right here. The purple pH2 and the light blue pH1, and that's going to kick in at about 11:01. Notice how the day is a light blue day, and notice how the light blue blacks were the ones affecting this on the pH1 for the pivots. So the other thing you want to do is take note of the pH1 light blue blacks as we get into the day session, because they can give you minor turning points on their own.